Hey everybody, so it's surgery day for Butterscotch. So this is the cage that I have her in. Just a small little cage so that she doesn't have to move around much. She has a cuddle cup, hay, pellets, and a water bottle, and that's it. And I have a cover to put over top because she is a nervous pig. And then what we're taking along with us, a couple extra pads so that after her surgery they can put a fresh pad on her cuddle cup. Orchard grass hay. She has Timothy in there, but you never know, maybe she'll want orchard grass instead. And then in this container is her lunch. This is her veggies. My vet just asked her to have no veggies this morning, so this is what she's gonna have when she wakes up. They're gonna try to get her eating again with her favorite foods. And then right now we're just got 15 minutes before we leave, so I'm just trying to get the little bit of last critical care in her, just to make sure she has something on her tummy because she had her medications and she has a little bit before she gets surgery. So here's little Butters. Love you, sweetie. So we'll do an update a little bit later. Bye guys. Okay, we're ready to leave now. We're all buckled in and just letting the car heat up and off we go. Good luck, Butterscotch. Love you. Okay, so while Butterscotch is at the vet's waiting for surgery, I have just started to divide the cage. They'll have to be in a divided cage for probably a week to 2 weeks. She's going to be having an invasive surgery and I cannot have Bullseye bumping or bossing her around. She needs to be able to relax, not get pushed around. No competition for drinking or eating. So it's going to be tough. I know Bullseye will hate it. He's going to probably chew the bar, so I can put plexiglass up if he's going to get wild. So what I'm going to do is, I've got my vinegar and water solution. I'm just going to clean everything down so that she's in a nice sterile cage. So we won't hear how she does until probably between 12 and 1 o'clock. So I sat with her a bunch this morning and fed her some critical care, made sure she had a bit of water. So she's as strong as she can be, all things considered, because it's been like a week since I've had to start really feeding her to make sure she was getting enough food in her. And she was pooping good this morning, so that's always a good sign. So I mean, she's as good as she was gonna be. So let's pray that she's strong enough to make it through surgery, and that the relief from having that huge stone out will outweigh how crummy she feels from having been cut open. Like, obviously she'll be on pain meds, so hopefully it'll be able to hold off the pain well enough so that she's gonna want to eat. Okay, that's better. Hi bud, I'm gonna get you all fresh stuff, okay? And we're gonna clean your side of the cage too. Butterscotch's side. Decided to put her here because I can reach everywhere, or that far corner is really hard to get to. So I'm going to put her liner on this cream colored side. She's going to have some blood come out in her pee, but I just want to be able to see what it looks like, because you don't want fresh looking blood. It's going to be like clots or pink tinged or something really dark old blood. So I just want to be able to see what's happening for her output. Same thing with her little liner where I'm going to put her hay. I'm going to use the cream colored side so I can see. Now I'm not going to give her any tunnels or snuggle sacks because that would be super hard to get her out from. And I don't want to be having a tough time getting her out from a bed and hurting her stitches. So instead I'm just going to be doing just cuddle cups, because then if I need to lift her up to feed her or anything, I can just lift her up in a cup and not touch her. That's what I did with Barnaby. Worked out perfect, so that I didn't have to worry about scooping him up and touching him where he had his incisions. Okay, I think I might leave that a bit open so I can see her properly. Now I'm gonna wait till she's back and I'll put her pellets near his pellets. I'll put some hay, put her water bottle on. Her water bottle is with her right now, same with her pellet dish. So that's her cage for now. Oh, I'm getting rid of this. She doesn't need that in her way. I just can see it now that he's not gonna like it and it's gonna chew. But we'll see what happens. Hey, bud. She's coming back, okay? You're such a good boy. I know you'll keep her company and talk to her, okay? We'll see her later today. Yeah. Love you. Good boy. You try to rest and stuff, and she'll be back later, okay?